Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and work. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, A plus B can do a work in 10 days, B plus C in 15 days, C plus A in 20 days. Friends, now let us say the total work. The total work is 60 units. Friends, this 60 is the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. So now the total work is 60 units. Friends, A plus B can do this 60 units of work in 10 days. That means A plus B can do 6 units of work per day. Similarly, B plus C 15 fours 60. So B plus C can do 4 units of work per day and C plus A can do 3 units of work per day. Friends, now let us do 2 minus 3. Equation 2 minus 3. Equation 2 minus 3 gives C gets cancelled. B minus A. B minus A is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. What is equation 1? B plus A is equal to 6. B plus A is equal to 6. Now by adding these two, adding by 2, 2B is equal to 7. B is equal to 7 by 2. Friends, B can do 7 by 2 units of work per day. Friends, now the total work is 60 units. This 60 units of work can be completed by B in 60 by 7 by 2. It implies 60 into 2 by 7, 60 into 2 by 7, 120 by 7, 120 by 7, 17 sevens, 119, 17 1 by 7 days friends, 17 1 by 7 days friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.